So it's my birthday today, guys. Thank you for all your greetings. But anyway, guys, I'm working today.
Happy birthday, hon.
Dollar pa more. Thank you. And this is when I come home. A clean bench, which is a very good job. Very good job. A clean bench, a clean house. That's the best present ever. And a cooked tea, right? Would be good too. A cooked tea. But anyway, so done a good job. It's got some little blingy.
We got bread and butter.
Bread and butter.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, darling. But anyway, she's got me a decoration, a clean bench, a clean house. This is good. But anyway, guys, I will show you what I bought today. So I went to Kohl's to buy myself a cake. I bought myself a cake, and maybe I'm gonna have a steak for myself as well. No, I bought a steak as well. And I will show you the specials that I bought from Kohl's. So very good specials, guys. But I'm gonna put them in a freezer, and then the rest I'm gonna cook tonight so I can take for work tomorrow as a baon because my friends are working. So I'm gonna bring some food because since it's my birthday.
Yeah. So 36.
Anyway.
Time for trading.
Yeah, I'll trade you in, all right?
Trade you in.
I trade you in. But anyway, so I'll show you guys the specials clearance that I bought for today in Kohl's, and this is so super special. So first up is this chicken from $11, guys. Oh, $63 na lang. No, I mean $23 from $11 to 23 cents. And this one is $14.29. So if we'll put this in a freezer, guys, and then I'll cook some of this tonight. So this is 15 cents, and this organic carrots is 27 cents. It's still very, very good, very nice quality. Salad we'll have it tonight, and this chicken we put it in the freezer, 30 cents. So diba, very good, special. That's very good. Anyway, that's all the specials, guys. That's from Kohl's, Country Kohl's. Yeah, very nice. Thank you, darling, for this. Look at this. Nag-effort talaga siya.
You should carry water.
Oh, I can't. I'll trip over.
Yeah, hon.
Oh, that's pretty. Thank you. Thank you, Lorning. That's nice.
See,
How many candles?
10 times 3 plus 6.
That's nice. See, how many candles?
10.
Happy birthday to you. We are now 36 years old. How do you feel?
Same.
Same?
I feel old. Oh my God, Luna, 4 years, more years, and I'm 40. Don't think about that. Don't think about it. Oh my God.
You what?
Due for a grandbaby.
Make a wish.
Zoe.
What?
Which one?
You make a wish?
I already wished.
You can bum me out.
What was the wish? I'm not saying.
You can bum me out.
Alright. Coronavirus. Thank you.
Good.
Tok tok. Thank you. Oh my God. No. Hoy! What are you doing to me?
Okay.
What is this? Love, very nice. Thank you, Lorna.
And the other one? The other one?
Hala! Hoy! What is this? Lorna, what are you doing? Is this white? Hala!
No?
I'll take this.
There you go, take that. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's nice.
Thanks, Lawyer.
I bought one white one. That's pretty. Nasa work na tayo, guys. And tignan nyo itong dala ng mga friends ko for my birthday. Ayan, ang ganda ng flowers. Thank you, my friends. Work tayo guys. At tignan nyo itong present ng aking mga friends. Ang ganda naman ng flower, oh. May flower pa talaga sila, oh. Tapos may cake, dalawang cake. Tapos may pa-card pa sila guys. O, tignan nyo, ang ganda, oh. Thank you, ladies. Tignan nyo natin kung anong laman. So, this is from Vanessa, Shirley, Heather, Rachel, Inday, War Girls, John, Leah, Gab, Amy, Tibing, Lenora, Kel, Ness, and guess what, guys? Oh? I'm so blessed to have these friends. Oh, tignan niyo yan. May pa-cash pa talaga sila. Oh. Thank you, girls. Thank you. Uwian na, guys. Ang tignan niyo to, oh. Ito talagang mga friends ko, eh. May pa-gift pa talaga, oh. Thank you, guys. Bahay na tayo, guys. Haggard yung pagmumukha natin kasi kagagaling lang natin ng work. But ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung mga natanggap ko sa birthday ko. Bigay ng mga friends ko, guys, tsaka ni Lorna, yung anak ni Phil. So, thank you, Lorna. Thank you, girls. To Inday, Joan, Amy, Ate Bing, Raquel, Leia, Gabi. Who else? Basta yung mga katrabaho ko ng mga Pinoy, sobrang thank you. Thank you. Thank you sa pa-cake nyo, at sa pa-surprise, at sa pa-card na may cash, at sa presents na rin. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung aking natanggap. So, I'm so blessed to have such good friends, and thanks, Lorna and Gary. So, I'll show you guys. Wala, ang ganda naman ito, uy. Hala, salamat. Uy, may pa-card. Tingnan natin. Hala, from Joanne pala to. Thank you, John! Alam ko na talaga kung saan galing to ba. Pag mga bakarat, mga ganyan, Joanne yan. Mga branded na Joanne talaga yan ba. Thank you, Johnny! At ito naman, guys, galing kay Lorna and Gary. So, may pa-shoes pa sila, guys. Wow! Ang ganda naman ito. Thank you, Lorna! Oh, thank you so much. May white shoes na tayo, guys. So, and then the next one is a bag. Oh, beautiful din to. Thank you. Tingnan natin yung laman. Ay, naka-close pala. Ito naman. Okay. So, meron siyang, I think meron siyang pocket. Yeah, open lang siya, pero may pocket sa gilid yan. Anyway, hindi muna natin yung buksan. And then, may pa-card pa si Lorna. Here we are. This is cute. Thank you. And then, last one, guys. I think napakita ko na kanina, but I'll still show you. Ito galing kay Inday. Thank you, Inday. Oh, what is this? Yum. That looks good. Thank you, Inday. Victoria's Secret yata to. Nice shop. Ano nga, paamoy? Oh, that smells nice. That smells so good. May pa $20 pa si Inday, oh. And then, ito yung the best from the girls. So, alam niyo na, guys, may mga Pinoy tayong mga friends from work. Ito yung bigay nila. Ayan, may pa-message pa dyan. Tapos, may surprise! Thank you, guys! Ito na yung vlog natin for today, guys. And thank you so much for the greetings. And thank you so much again. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye! Have a good day and have a good night. Bye!